Goose. Just kidding, not mine. So you know how we've all had those impulse purchases? We're like, yeah, this is cool, I'm gonna use it all the time. And then you never use it. This is Jeff's impulse purchase at Off-Road Expo last year. Thought he was gonna, buy this sweet electric bike and ride it. Jeff lives in the desert, so there's a lot of goat heads. It's got 20 miles on it. He rode it one time. Now it sits in the shop. Good job, Jeff. All right, weekly update for what we've got. As you can see on the giant fixture table, which I have made another one now, it's just across the street. This is the fuel cell cage cradle. All our tubes here will, obviously, you can see the holes in it, pops in. This locates everything for the back of the truck, and then the fuel cell sits down inside of it. We just snapped this thing together, got it all tacked up and everything. We're probably gonna break this table down, put it into the back section of our other fixture tables. That way we can finish out the whole entire truck. We'll span the length of it. This is ready to go. You can see here, I got piles of tubes. This crate's already halfway full of tubes. So this is all for a customer. This is a Maverick R chassis. Everything's cut, bent, and labeled. This will be going out here very soon, probably today, tomorrow. And then for the fun update here, as you can see, more tubes, a lot more tubes. F100 is coming out really, really good. Very happy. The guys have been busting their butts on this thing, pulling some serious hours, trying to get this thing moving along fast as we can, because we do have a timeline that we're trying to reach, and it's going to be close. You can see we have, now we've got, a lot of stuff has been route passed, capped in, we have to put tubes in, pop them back out, route pass inside overlapping tubes, and then pop tubes back in and then finish welding. That way, you have a completely welded joint. Here's a center console section area. The engine's gonna live down inside here. Firewall of the front truck's probably gonna be somewhere right in here. I guess I can sit in it so you can see for reference. Oh, I got this big tube here, so it's kind of hitting my head. But yeah, seat's gonna be somewhere right in here. Granted, I'm trying to sit on this tube because otherwise it'll be like lowrider and sit down in here. But this is size reference. So it's a decent size interior. This is actually the dash tube, so I'd be sitting up a lot higher than where I'm at right now. Probably be somewhere up in this range, I would imagine. But, which I like though, because then that gives you room underneath so we could, put stuff, whatever you need, things like that. Obviously, we don't know exactly where the passenger or driver are gonna be sitting yet, because we'll have to get Alan over here to find that out once we get the rest of the cage structure and the body on. He's also 6'4", and I'm only 6 foot, so doesn't do much for reference for me. But we've got our first couple bent tubes in here. Everything's going good. We're dropping the engine off Monday to get our Holley high mount accessory kit put on. And then I'm hoping maybe by the end of this week, we will have our third member hubs from Mitch Made. They should be coming soon. I think they were anodizing last I talked to Mitch, so probably be coming pretty close. And then I'd imagine our shock package from King is going to be here very, very soon too. I think there's only one pair of shocks that we're waiting on for them, and then they should be able to ship everything out. And then, like I said, we'll pop that fixer table off, and it's gonna go back here. Then we have our other standoffs, more tubes just similar to these ones that come down, pick up, and holds the cage structure, holds the top tubes, and similar things like that. Otherwise, we're starting to make a lot of progress, and this is something that you guys get to see. We have cross-measured this thing corner to corner, every which way, and it's within probably 1/16 of an inch or less. Nothing is more than a 1/16 of an inch, and which is really, really good, because you're gonna get a lot of tolerance stacking when you weld things, because you weld it, it shrinks, expands, and things move when you weld them. So to be within a 1/16 of an inch, I'm pretty impressed, and I'm very happy about it. We're getting a lot closer, and we're just gonna keep adding more tubes. We're getting to the point now where we're getting close to, we'll probably weld out much as we can down this section, and then we'll start adding in our A-pillar tubes, which are the ones that come up off the side of your head inside the cab, and keep building out from there. And then once we get all the cage structure on, back half, everything on, we're going to pop this off the fixture table after, we try and get much as we can rooted in on the table, pop it off, put it on the rotisserie, and we'll have a heyday of welding, a lot of welding. But otherwise, for the F100 update, that is about it. I'm pretty excited for these next few weeks. It's going to look really, really cool, and we'll keep going. We'll see you guys next week.